the bear was our forest friend. Back when we thought of the forest hand, when he said don't play with matches and put those campfires out, but never once mentioned what chainsaws were about.
Here's the new PG Trail sign. Just trying to cut it. Somebody ripped the old one down and took it at home as a souvenir. So, making a new one. That's what you do when signs go missing, you just make a new one. And this one's every bit as good as the last one. So, please don't steal this one. I'm trying to make it extra boring, so that way it doesn't look good on your wall, and it would look better out here on the trail. I'm gonna sign my name on it. If you guys make it out here, feel free to carve your initials in there. Please don't hurt our alder here, but yeah, kind of a fun little sign. I got a couple of boards. I'm gonna put a few of them up. Been sitting here for a while. Feels like there's something watching me from over there. It is Stump Squatch.
But time was running out, there was nowhere to go.
Something's over there.
Everywhere old Bigfoot turned, there was a brand new road. Big trees were all gone, clear cuts all
Seeing
around.
MK Davis Bigfoots washing their clothes.
Only hope was track old Smoky down.
There's the trail.
Sasquatch climbed up to the mountaintop and saw those little
animal over there thrashing around.
But they were full of humans. It was the bear he knew, who filled their heads with lies and told them what to do. Oh, then he saw an owl.
Hey, Robert!
Bleeding from the nest with that strange bear with sunglasses and the best. He said enough's enough.
We got a bear, I think, over here. Oh, that's you over there. There's something right over here. It's a freaking cave over here. Break my neck going over there. Do it, Jamie. Is this a log you're standing on? There's a freaking cave. This is like at the PG film site. We're like right there. Huh. It's freaking cool. It's a talus cave. Yeah. Well, it's a historic. It's the old route. We're not really even making a new trail. It's just the punch it through. Oh. Top of all this, I'm really tired. Look at that. Well, I guess it's not really a cave too much, but it goes back. It's kind of cool. Well, I thought this was a log, but oh, it is a log. It's a buried log. It's Patterson-Gimlin silt. Okay, so here's the Patterson-Gimlin Bigfoot film site. There's Roger's filming position. There's one of our trail cameras. We got trail cameras over there. But one of our problems is our route to get to the site. We usually go up the creek or on the other side, and it's been kind of crazy. But the original route that everyone took was over here on the north side of the creek, and it's kind of gotten overgrown. in the last 5-6 years, but this was the original route that everyone took. This was just a big flat gravel bar over to the other first part of the trail. So anyway, I'm gonna walk this and show you how quick it is to get to the other part of the trail. So basically, there's two trails. There's the trail on this gravel bar, and then there's the trail on the south side gravel bar. This is the one on the north side. So I'm gonna walk this one and show you how easy it is. I'll let Robert go in front of me.
When the cowboys met the lady, that was Patty
So this is a
and me.
kind of a historic trail that came through here, and it was here before. So I mean, we didn't really
In 67,
make a new trail.
if you
This
were
is kind of
like
the old one.
most folks,
This section was the one
and someone
that
mentioned Bigfoot,
just kind of a flat area up top
will
that you can walk,
just
but we
laugh at such
cleared a lot of these eye-poking branches out.
Not so with us,
It used to be that when you walked,
'cause
you had to
we
fight
were bound
big
by
branches.
fate.
Oh yeah, here is the cable.
See
So this is the old choker cable
a date
that they
with
used to
no one
when they were
else
logging down here. So this would have been here. This would have been in the
Patty,
Patterson film.
Roger,
And I think they mentioned this. At least Renee Hinden mentioned it, I think.
I can't remember.
I think it was
we
Renee.
rode into Bluff Creek
Anyway.
Now we get to reap the benefits of our
to
work.
see what
Yeah.
we could find.
Normally it's like a, there's a few sections of this where it goes along the old trail, and
Scenes
it's
for a film he had in mind.
wasn't so bad, but it's definitely gotten overgrown. So we took out all the eye-poking bits,
We fought to
Yeah.
keep control
ankle grabbers and things.
there before our
There's some
eyes.
down logs and things, but nothing too crazy.
So big,
And
so
this will mean
bold.
that it's going to be family friendly getting to the Patterson site.
Camera rolled,
Now you'll be able to just
the film
cross
ran
the
out
creek. Here's some logs.
as Patty
You do have to-
walked away.
Whew. Hop, skip, and jump.
The neat thing about this
Leave
is
us
this is all
shocked.
sand deposit, alluvial
Without
flood
a
sand
doubt,
from '64.
our
Yeah.
lives
Oh,
forever changed. Roger
walking
packed
here.
his camera.
and then there are some down
while I
logs, but
put away my
you give these
gun.
time and they'll kind of go away. This one you kind of roll
Both of us
a little bit.
believed
Out of the way.
that we had only
But,
needed one.
It used to be quite the bushwhack through here.
As for me, through
And,
all the years,
Now you can just
time was kind, you see.
cruise to the
It left the memory.
other end of the gravel bar. Oh yeah. Oh, is that a
of
different cave?
Patty,
Yeah,
Roger,
it's a different cave.
and me.
Check out this little cave. I've seen some little. These must be the caves that people talk about
Whether
sometimes.
you
These are little
believe
talus
or
caves, not really real caves,
the choice
but
is yours alone.
they are.
Roger's
that one goes in
film
quite a
still
bit.
looks the same
It's kind of cool.
every time.
So if you want to come out here,
it's shown.
check out the
Someday
Bigfoot
soon,
Film Site cave.
they'll
So it goes
have
down
the
pretty
proof
deep. That's where they live.
for all the world to see.
Anyway, if you want to check them out, they're right off the trail.
We told
Uh,
the truth.
Pretty easy walk,
Patty,
you know.
Roger,
If Bill Munns can do it,
and
the Grandpa Munns, I'm sure he'll want to probably watch this video.
there's a road
Coincidentally,
in California.
yeah,
in
yeah,
the
everyone's gonna
north
appreciate
part
this side of the trail
state,
because we kind of had one on the other side for a couple of years,
set apart from all
and that one's been
the
really nice. But then it just kind of like
by the
disappeared into the creek.
sightings that are made
so.
of a giant
Uh,
hairy creature,
Here, I'll walk ahead of you.
and the folks who live there know
So yeah,
anyone
and this comes
could
just as
be the next to
John Johnson found
a
a
legend crossed
copy of the Patterson film recently.
on the Bigfoot
Uh,
scenic
at an auction.
byway through the heart
able to
of Bigfoot
procure that.
land.
It's one of the original
There's an old
Annie
mystique from
splices.
Willow Creek.
So
all the way
pretty interesting things happened with the Patterson site this year.
where the
So
forest and
the
mountains
old trail is
and
kind of cleaned up a little bit.
on the big
We didn't really blaze anything new. It's just a footpath.
highway
You know, part
96.
the game trail. There's our
Watch
teepee
the
structure.
tree of
We put that up to kind of mark it. It's kind of ambiguous where it
its
starts.
way down to the
So,
sea, or the Trinity
yeah.
still
And now, as you come over here, this is
unwild.
Bluff Creek.
There's a beauty all around you, unlike any that you've known. Where the hoop
And I put the sign up so you can see it from the other side of the creek.
and the
But basically,
make their home.
the rest of the trail is on the other side.
You'll meet
you cross the
some
creek,
friendly
And we did
people,
put up some cairns
folks who love the land
on the other
around.
side.
If you
And
ask,
there's some
they're
down here.
proud to tell you
So you should be able to
all about
see the path.
this place you found.
and not get lost. Anyway,
Make sure you make out when you get to the sign.
There's a
Go
mystery
that way.
in
Yeah.
the mountains
Don't go that
that
way.
surround this awesome drive,
well, it kind of goes that way.
and the many
Yeah.
chance
Yeah.
encounters.
Anyway, it was 6 minutes from the Patterson site to Bluff Creek. Usually used to take about 15, and then it's about 5 minutes to the bat boxes from here. So that means that it's only a 15-minute walk now after you cross the creek. You know, 15-minute walk from the bat boxes to the film site on the nice trail. So how long is that? Maybe 3/4 of a mile from the bat boxes here to the film site? Yeah, about 3/4 of a mile. So there you have it. Anyway, signing out. I'm gonna get back to it. Okay. Well, that's where we just came from. Was that gravel bar over there? And we crossed the creek, and there's some cairns we set up, so you know the way. And now here's the main trail that goes on the south side gravel bar, and we're gonna follow this one. This is on the south side of the river, which is the right side if you're looking upstream, or the left side if you're looking downstream. Anyway, this should only take a couple of minutes. This trail was already here. This was part of the this was actually part of the road. There was a road that was here, which is right there. You can kind of see it. Just past where Robert is. That's the original road. And then the trail. So we didn't really have to do much on this. Just kind of clear a few sticks out of the way. Anyway, so overall, now from the bat boxes, it's only about a 15-minute walk. Suitable for the whole family. Critter. Oh, weird cricket.
Why stay home just to watch TV? It don't take long.
Okay.
We can be Bigfoot. Yeah, Bigfoot.
Now we continue.
Got night vision, thermal vision, pheromone chips. Bring a few beers. Skip the dip. We'll blast that call blaster all night long. Maybe they'd like a rock and roll song. Searching through the woods, looking far and wide. Oh,
All right, Robert. Let me know if you see anything fun.
We don't find him, we ain't gonna feel bad.
But
Thinking about all
this trail's
the
nice.
fun we had.
we tried to clear out most of the things that poke you in the eye, which was kind of our goal, was to just walk the trail without getting blinded. Because it used to be, you'd walk the trail and it was all overgrown and all these sticks would poke you in the face. Not anymore. Just gives people one less thing to complain about. Let's try it again. Anyway. Well, here we go. Killed Robert. He's dead now. Some cool stuff. Bear scratch. There's one there. Bear scratches. There's some right there too.
We'll blast that cold blaster all night long. Maybe even try a rock and roll song. Finding Bigfoot, wouldn't that be
Clean
great?
that thing up.
If only he'd just cooperate. But he won't do what you think he should.
Trail's pretty nice through
He
here.
knows while you're in those woods, you're Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Bigfoot.
Oh, bear scratches. Until he just walks this trail and just gives this big old bear hug.
We can get our own TV show, Bigfoot. Yeah, Bigfoot.
Yeah, it's a hornet nest behind us. More bear scratches. The bears seem to like our little trail.
Where the tall grass grows.
But basically, it's only,
The kind of creature
this one's not even that far.
never knew.
Maybe
Walk the woods
quarter mile, third of a mile. About a
Say it's every bit as real as you or me.
10-minute walk, less than 10 minutes.
And no one knows from where it came. Big and hairy like the monster ought to be. And the only one
Yeah, this trail's nice.
has the name of the
It's so nice.
craftsman.
We used to have to like walk through this.
Shaggy giant from
Glad
the
we fixed this whole
wildlands.
trail up.
He is the craftsman. By whatever name he's called. You can call him Big,
Here we are.
call him Sasquatch or the Wild Man.
Somebody's beer can.
In Ohio, he's the craftsman.
And DG trail sign.
Though not a man.
So it's been pretty quick. All right, Rob.
Yep. Pretty quick.
Massive body man could never grow like some Goliath from the past. Covered all in hair from head to toe.